Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to do a fun math activity called Race to 100. So you're going to need to get out the math packet that you guys got in the mail. It says math packet on the top, and you're going to need to flip through and flip through and flip through to get way near the back. And I put a little tab on mine so I can get there quickly. But you need to find the hundreds chart, okay? And it's going to look like this, and it's near the back of the packet. And then the first thing I'm going to do, and you can do too, is we're going to cut off the bottom of the 100 charts, which only goes to 100, because we really want it to only be to 100, even when you use it for other math activities. And we don't want you to tear it off the packet, because you are going to need it to help you do some other activities later on in the packet. All right, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take my crayons and I'm going to color some things on the 100 chart. I would like you to do that with me today as well. So first, I'm just going to pick, you need to pick 11 crayons. See how I picked 11 light colored crayons, because we're going to color very lightly so we don't cover up the numbers, but we sort of highlight them. All right, so I'm going to pick a red crayon. And I'm going to highlight just the count by tens numbers. Remember, we learned in school, those are the numbers that are in the last column that go straight down. I'm going to be playing a game in a few minutes with my son, Michael. Michael, could you find me a plain white piece of paper to cover up the sheet underneath? Okay. All right, so I'm going to start coloring the count by tens numbers. I'm going to go straight down this column, and I'm going to color them in red. So we have 10, 20, see how lightly I'm coloring? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And I'm going to go ahead and put in that piece of plain paper to cover up the paper underneath so that doesn't confuse me when I play my game. All right, so notice we have our count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we're going to color the rows. Rows go across. We're going to color each row a different color. So I'm going to start with the ones. Remember, these are called ones because there's only one number in each of those boxes. And I think I'm going to use this light purple crayon. So I'm going to color straight across to color my ones in a light purple. And then I'm going to go ahead and color my tens. Remember, we learned that these are the tens because they all start with a 1 and they all have two numbers in each box. And we know that that 1 actually means 10. So this is 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 3 is 13. So I'm going to pick another color, and I think I'm going to use this gray crayon, and I'm going to color my ones lightly in gray. Straight across on the ones. See how I can still see the numbers clearly through? All right. Then my next row of numbers are my 20s. Notice they all start with a 2. That's how we know they are 20s. And they go in order to 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And I think I'm going to color those in a light orange color. So those are going to be my 20s. And again, notice I can see my numbers right through. All right, my next row of numbers are my 30s. How do I know they're the 30s? Because they all start with a 3. And again, they follow the same pattern. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 3, 9. So this time I'm going to choose a yellow crayon. And I'm going to color 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. My next row of numbers is my 40s. Notice they all start with a 4 and follow that pattern. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8, and 4, 9. I think I'll use this pretty aqua color crayon. And I'm going to color 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, my next row of numbers are my 50s. Notice they all start with a 5 and follow the same pattern. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8, and 5, 9. I think I'm going to use this light green crayon and color my 51, my 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. Okay, my next row of numbers are my 60s, and they start with a 6. Same pattern, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 8, and 6, 9. I think I'm going to use this pretty pink crayon right here to color 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and do my next row, which are the 70s. They all start with a 7. Same pattern, 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 4, 75, 7, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, and 7, 9. I'm going to use this light peach color right here to color 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. Okay, next row is my 80s. They all start with an 8. That's how I know they're my 80s, and they have 2 numbers in each, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89, and I'm going to use this purpley blue color. I'm going to color 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. Notice I'm taking my time to make it look nice and neat and coloring nicely in the boxes. And my last row is going to be my 90s. They all start with a 9 and have 2 numbers in each box, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. And I'm going to use this little bit darker blue color, and it's brighter blue, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. All right, now there's lots of things you can do with this hundreds chart. You can practice counting to 100. You can ask a grown-up to say, where are the 20s? And you have to find them and say, oh, they all start with a 2. Where are the 50s? Oh, here they are. They all start with a 5. Where are the 80s? Oh, here they are. They all start with an 8. Or you could ask someone to call out a number and you find it. Where's 37? Where's 14? Where's 53? So there's lots of different ways to use this hundreds chart, but we're also going to show you a game you can play with it called Race to 100. So I'm just going to move it over here a little bit, and you just need some dice again. We've used dice for lots of our games. And you're going to need some little tiny game markers. And so I have picked 2 M&Ms from our Easter basket. I'm going to be the yellow one, and my son Michael, say hi, Mike.
Hello again.
Is going to be the green one. So we're going to put them right here. And we're just going to take turns rolling our dice and see who gets to 100 first. So I'm going to roll first, and I rolled a 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, Mike, your turn.
I rolled a 1, so I just go to 1.
All right. So I rolled a 2. I'm on 3, and I have to go 2 more. 3, 1, 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Go ahead, Mike.
I got a 4 this time, so I was on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 4 is also 5, and we're on the same space.
All right, I'm gonna roll again. I got a 2. 5 plus 2 more, 1, 2. Oh, I'm now on 7.
I got a 3. 5 plus 3 more, 1, 2, 3 is 8.
I'm gonna roll again. Oh, I got a 2. 7 plus 2 more, 1, 2. 7 plus 2 is 9.
I got a 3 this time. 8 plus 3, 1, 2, and then I wrap all the way around to 11. 8 plus 3 is 11.
Yes, notice Michael got to the end of the row and he went to the beginning of the next row. So I'm thinking I'm going to the next row too. Let's say, oh, I did not. 9 plus 1 more is 10. I still haven't gotten to the next row.
This time I also got a 1. So I just move 1 space. 11 plus 1 is 12.
All right, I know I have to get to the next row this time. Oh, barely. 10, I go to the next row, plus 1 more is 11. Let's roll 2 more times, Michael. I think then they'll know how to play.
I also got a 1. 12 plus 1 is 13.
All right, 2. 10 plus 2 more, 1, 2 is 13. We're on the same box again. And we would keep playing and keep rolling until one of us gets all the way to 100. So this is the Race to 100 game, and you can play over and over again. Again, keep this 100 chart in the packet because you'll need it to play other games and do other activities. Right now, I'm going to shake hands with Michael and say, good game.
Good game.
All right, bye-bye, boys and girls.